Welcome to another inspiration and education video, a series featuring a breakdown of our Duets by Gemini line of engraving sheet stock. Just as there are multiple ways to use these substrates, you may have heard of them referred to in various ways, such as modified acrylic or plastic. Today's episode, we're featuring the Duets Texture line. Duets Textures is perfect for creating easy-to-read industrial signage for indoor and outdoor use. It's also great for safety signage and durable enough to withstand those harsh exterior industrial environments or those demanding interior settings with high traffic flow. Duets Textures are fingerprint and water resistant, so you can be sure that your projects are going to be ready to hold up to the harshest of conditions. This material comes in 1/8 and 16th inch thicknesses, and the color varieties include bright primary colors and black and white. The abrasive textured finish makes this line ideal for industrial applications. Large bold text and icons are going to be ideal for this substrate, which can be marked with your rotary engraver or with your laser. But note that it may take 2 to 3 passes to break through the cap sheet cleanly with your laser. Both thicknesses can cleanly vector cut in your laser or with your plastic cutting shears. So when your customer asks for that extra strength and durability, look and feel no further than the Duets Textures. Build up your signage game today and add that next dimension for your offerings. For more information about Duets Textures, check us out online or give us a call today and make your mark.